Hey guys, Tony here. So I wanted to do a quick run through of how I discover certain tickers for doing certain plays, right? Like right now, for example, I'm doing the chart on plug. Really, just looking at the previous, the most relative high, which is right here, June 7th at 34.17, and the relative low, which is down here at $18.50. But how do I discover these tickers? If you have the TradingView app on mobile, once you're actually on the trading screen, on the chart screen, you can hit where they're actually where the name is, right? So you guys can see on the bottom left, you guys can see down here on this section, it says plug, right? You go ahead and click on plug, and it takes you to here. Here you can go ahead and you can search any ticker you want, right? So you can search for the SPY, there you go. You can search for Apple, there you go. You can search for Microsoft, right? Exactly. The easy way for me to actually search these tickers, or to just search specific tickers and always kind of have them handy, is on the top right. You have the two little lines right underneath the cancel with the two little dots in between, right? So I click that, basically just to kind of filter everything. I go to stock, exchanges, and then I look for the NASDAQ stock market, right in the middle, right in between ICUS and NEO. So once you have these two options ticked on the exchanges, you have NASDAQ. On types, you have stock. When you go back, you will have everything, basically all the most T8 stocks in the NASDAQ. So number one, it looks like TradingView thinks that Apple is the most popular ticker as far as charting goes, and then it kind of goes down from there. So in TradingView, this basically gives you the most popular tickers that actually have technicals written on them, right? The very first one is Apple, second Tesla, and then AMD has been running, and Wish alongside has been going up too, right? But again, it basically gives me the most popular tickers. I generally tend to go all the way down a little bit, just to kind of give myself, I don't want to start with the most popular ones. I kind of go to like the ones that are growing. So I tend, for example, I'll go to like Peloton, and right away I already know that I have sort of like a nicely setup right here, right? Low, high, and then I can basically see if we're actually going to be running like towards the upside, right? Again, I could have had like a high right here and a low down here for Peloton, and then maybe I could have taken a play like right here, right? But again, this is again based off of like just filtering out all the tickers, and it kind of gives you the most popular tickers that currently have technicals on TradingView. So it kind of lists them all for you. For example, JD, I don't have anything set here, but it does look like this might have been an actual perfect play. Relative high, relative low.